Ready to unlock a world of live sports and exclusive content you're already paying for? If you've got the Disney bundle, which includes Disney, Hulu, and ESPN, you might not be aware of how to easily access all that ESPN has to offer. Let's get right to it. First, head over to Disney+com on your computer or mobile browser and log in using your Disney bundle credentials. This is the same email and password you use for Disney and Hulu. Once you're logged in, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner and click on Account. This will take you to your account page. Look for the Manage Subscription section and click on Disney, Hulu and ESPN. Scroll down until you see ESPN and then click Activate ESPN. You will be redirected to the ESPN website if you already have an ESPN account. Use those details to sign in. If not, create a new one. Don't worry, it's free. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your ESPN account to your Disney bundle. You should see a confirmation message once the accounts are successfully linked. Now, download the ESPN app on your favorite streaming device or smart TV. Log in using the ESPN account you just linked to your Disney bundle. And that's it. You can now enjoy all the live sports, original series, and exclusive content ESPN has to offer, all included as part of your Disney bundle. Start streaming.